Alright, what is going on, Coaster Crew fans? This is Tim checking in from the Magic Kingdom. Gonna give you guys a Tron update. We're gonna head into Tomorrowland and check out all the new stuff going on in the construction site. Maybe get over by the Barnstormer and get on the People Mover and see what we can see. So let's head on in. Alright guys, we made our way over here to the Barnstormer section of the park. Pretty good view here. There are people working on site. Some kind of blue kind of tarping on sections of the canopy there. It's not covering all of it, but I don't know if it's for safety or what it could be for. It looks like there are lots of brackets for lighting and also the obviously the top canopy that's going to sit on top of the structure. And we can take a look in here and we can see that the bridge is starting to form leading up into the entrance of the building there. Alright, let's head on over to the People Mover. We'll take a ride on there and see what we can see from there. And maybe later I'll be able to get on the Tomorrowland Speedway, get you guys some shots from that as well. Alright guys, stay tuned. Before we head over to the People Mover, this is just a small update on the Fantasyland station here for the train. Looks like they still have to lay track and everything. It seems to be sitting right over here along with the ties, so hopefully they'll get that going. We can only hope it'll be ready for the 50th, even if Tron is not, but hopefully we'll see some movement here soon and we can get the train back in action.
At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Yellow or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Alright guys, that's all we have for you guys today here at the Magic Kingdom. Stay tuned in the coming months for more Tron updates. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell for future notifications for future videos. And like us on all of our social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, all at Coaster Crew. And we'll see you guys real soon.